YouTube channel. My name is Nurbila Damayanti. I'm from class F4A with NPM 202112500022. Today, I would like to tell you guys about the nature of teaching and learning. So, without waiting long enough, let's check this out. What is learning? Learning is the process by which human beings acquire a vast variety of competitive skills and attitudes. Learning begins in infancy with the baby's acquisition of a few simple skills to adulthood, which individual is expected to have mastered specific job tasks and other functional skills. What is teaching? Teaching is the process of attending to people's needs, experiences, and feelings, and interfering so that they learn particular things and go beyond the given. And next, we will talk about sources of learning. The first one is textbooks. Textbooks are type of book that focuses on a certain subject and used for studying. Students use textbooks to practice their knowledge. One example of textbook is a workbook which provides questions. Most schools provide textbooks for their students to remind them about what they learn on a certain subjects. Textbook can change every student's memorizing skill. Most textbooks are printed format. And the second one is electronic media. Electronic media can be used as a source of study. Personal computer, television, radio, telephone are considered as electronic media. Most teachers use electronic media as a tool to help students learn school lessons easily through video or recorder information. So, talk about electronic media. When we when we are in the COVID-19 era, electronic media is the most important media for learning and teaching. Most of schools around the world use the electronic media as a media for teaching and learning. Like we need the personal computer for attending Zoom meeting or Google Meet. Still talk about sources of learning, the third one is computer games. Most adults say computer games won't help individuals learning. However, some computer games provide a positive effect such as helping them think wisely. Role-playing games are much appreciated by adults. In this type of game, players need to survive or think of a strategy to finish the game. It requires critical thinking. For the example, like when we play the game, like a puzzle game and maybe questionnaire game, must it will help us very much to learning. And the last is lecturers. Lectures can be done by means of speaking to teach every individual or give information about a certain topic. Usually, teachers are the ones who give lecture, especially in schools. Parents can also give lectures on their kids. When lecturing, a teacher stands in front of the class and discusses a certain subject. Most teachers use books as reference and summarize it in order for students to learn quickly. Teachers can also use tools such as cards with information about the topic written on. It is important for them to use tools where students can learn easily. Now I would like to tell you guys my teaching experience. As for me, from there, I could see that my niece get bored easily when studying. I almost found the right method. It was by learning while playing games either on my cell phone or the picture on the posters. She enjoys studying with me. We do this at least 2 days a week. She's a girl who easily grabs the material that I gave to her. The last time she studied with me, she got an increase in grades. From my experience, I know that not all children have the same learning style. Not all the children have the same ability to love or code information that I provide them. Not all age group for children can apply the same teaching method. The method chosen should be adapted to the class situation and the age of the student. I think it's enough for today. So, thank you for watching my videos. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, comment, and maybe you can share it to your friends. Bye bye.